Good morning, Mr. Femi. Now our number one gold digger in the house. Mr. Femi have key gold this week. All right. In 2 minutes, we start in 2 minutes. I'm going to send updates. The group that we are live. Okay, so we're 15 now. Share the screen. All right. You are welcome to this last day of the week. Last day of the week. Welcome, guys. Welcome. This week. It has been an awesome week. It has been a great week. As for me, it has been a great week, at least. I have one very good trade. I think one trade that give me a good week, which is my AUD share. Gave me a very good week, and I will share with us very soon. So let's start with gold this morning. What's happening on gold? Because I know that a lot of people want to see the update on gold. Gold, gold is seriously bullish this morning. Though gold also gave me money. Yeah, gold gave me money that when I bought from here, I think I exit my trade here. So gold and GAU that here bought from here, I think what's it about how many pips? So bought from here and exit here. That was about 260 sharp, 260 pips. And I could not able to, well, if the only thing is, that is the thing about swing trade. If I have hold it, this guy here will have been threatening that because I was thinking that this guy will come back to this fair value gap. So that's why I close out. Now you see, it did not come there. So now, update on gold. The update on gold is now is that this guy could not hold. So we are now approaching to this next. Yesterday we thought that this will hold water. At least set to this FUG here for us to continue to buy. So this FUG is open for future reference. So we just hide it first. So we hide it. So whenever sales, whenever we have sell coming back again, whenever we have sell coming back, so this FUG will not be what our target to buy. Just like what happened here. So we can now, okay, we can now say, okay, we have FUG here, then we can now look at use this as a word, as a strong. So let me mark this place now. So whenever trade is coming back, this place will be our what? Our demand zone. So let's say, let's put it on the demand zone, demand. Okay. So let's put it at demand zone like that. We'll hide it for now. Let's see the long there. Okay. So we leave it as demand. So now we have demand that has fair value gap then. So this one is a long time something. We hide it first. So this is the current approach now. This imbalance, this supply zone. So for now, maybe until price gets here, any pullback, be a pullback to buy. So for now, until price, maybe today, I don't know if next week, until price gets to that place, we'll be looking for what is oh, for audio. Please confirm audio now.
Can hear you, sir.
Okay, thank you. So all we need to do is just looking at some, let's just draw this support. Let's just draw this support out here. Let's just draw that support. Right. So let me display it. I don't know if price will come here because this momentum is so high. You're looking at opportunity where we can buy. So let's go to 1 hour. Okay, you can see that place. You can see that place is very strong support. Right. So if today anything that make price come back here, then you can look for a buy to this place. So that's what I can say for today. Price already moved. 15 minutes. So price already make that place a strong support. Price came back, tapping here. So it already moved. But if by chance we have price coming back to that place, so it could be a good place to buy. Then next week, everything once price gets here, this should be next week. Then we can be looking for opportunity if we can get a short from this supply zone, 4-hour supply zone, and then we can trade to this demand here. So there's nothing much on gold for now. Gold has already moved. This is one thing about swing trade. Imagine that I leave my trade by now. So since you are buying for demand, then supply should be your target. That's about let's say this was this entry here. The target is supply. That's about 500 pips. So that is the best way. That's the best way to ID. So what happened on dollar? Dollar look bullish. Now you can see how we have this bullish yesterday. So let's say 4 hours, let's say daily. So I can tell you that yesterday, for the first time, we have a successful close above this trend line. There, see how price open today. So if by today this candle print bullish, let's say close like this today. Let's say that candle stay bullish like this, guys. Next week, all we'll be doing is just to be buying dollar. Here will now become a strong support. Please don't miss on Monday live session. So where we'll do market review. So then a pullback here will now become a strong support. Then we can now throughout the week, can now look for a way to bullish to this range. So, but if this guys close bearish today, I don't know. If you close bearish, you may see our price fall to all this place next week, maybe before the up movement. So for now, dollar is printing bullish. And GU is bearish. GU is bearish, and we are coming to the zone that we are looking at on GU. So let's go to daily time frame. You can see that gradually price is coming to our zone. Price is coming to our zone. I tell you that zone, that zone is a very zone that if we get a buy there, it will be a very good opportunity for us to buy this guy. So you can see that we are moving to that zone gradually, this zone. So I will be interested to buy GU from this zone. A lot of confluences is piling together. We have this trend line, we have support area, then we have a demand supply, everything pointing out at this. So we love to buy GBP USD from this zone. So when we get to this zone, what we just wait for is for us to just be patient and wait for what we call a engulfing candle here, whether 4 hours or daily engulfing candle, right? Whether 4 hours or daily engulfing candle, then we can now what? We can now bullish to this place back. So this is area we want to do what? We want to buy GU for. So if GU still come to this area, then currently we are much bearish on GU. So today now, since today is Friday, we don't need to do much deeper analysis. Let's just look for a trade setup today. How we can get that? We just go to smaller time frame and look for opportunity to get trade for today, right? So we just look for opportunity to get trade today. Now, a lot of imbalances is a lot of gap. Just the price is not okay. So we have this is 30 minutes now. So we just stay today in smaller time frame and in the direction of what the market. Timothy, stop writing on my screen. So in the direction of what the market is doing. So we have the break of structure here. Then these supplies will not be mitigated. And we have love price to come here. I would love to sell from that angle. So that's place I love to sell from. That's the place I have love to sell from. You know why? Because I can see that price is building a lot of liquidity. Price is building a lot of liquidity here. So we have a lot of liquidity that we built here. So this 30-minute supply zone, order block, is the perfect place that we can sell from. So we have under 30 minutes, we have this high and this low. So you can see now that we have not seen any price that take out this low. So whatever happened here, though yesterday we were waiting for that, then we have price sweep, sharp price came down, boom. Though everything that happened here, whether this break of structure down here, is still what? A internal structure. So the main swing is still from this high to this low. So, and the best place to look for a sell opportunity is if price can come back here. So we'll be looking, let's see, is there news today? Is there news? This Friday. Okay. Oh, no wonder. GBP MMM was negative. So we have cards news coming by 1:30. So there's no card or there's no news or there's no news on USD today. So 15 minutes. So that's the share. Let's just stay with that 30 minutes frame. Please, ladies and gentlemen, I have announced 2 days ago. Kindly check the chat box and you see where trade link. So if you have not have account with where trade, which sponsoring this live session every day, please kindly click on the link below. You will see info. If you haven't started trading with Where Trade yet, please use the link below to register and try to fund your account so that you can support us. So thank you. Please feed that. Then by next week, you can comment on what to know who and who is really for us. So there will be a form that we'll be filling to where you'll be submitting your Where Trade ID just to know that you are really with us, not against us. So please, if you don't have account yet, just click on the registration account here and get account register, and you can fund any amount of your desire. So let's go further. So Euro USD daily time frame. As like I said today, we don't want to do much analysis. Just want to look for trade opportunity. So you can see that we are bearish. So all we need to do is to look for what? Is to look for sell opportunity. The price gave us 1. Now, price is just doing, you see, this one is working fine. We have a break of structure, price mitigate. Now, where do we have another break of structure now? We have this place. So we have this guy here as what? As a break of structure. So we have another break of structure like this. So we have our BOS. So where can we sell from now? So just look at look at this zone for trade opportunity, for a sell opportunity. If price come back to that zone, so you can look for what? A sell opportunity from there. So that is it. So all you need now is to see the price come back here, make this place as liquidity has been created already. I would love to sell from here, take a small position. So maybe we just do, let's go to 30 minutes and see if we can get on that block. Okay, let's fine tune this to this. Okay, so you can have something like this on a Euro USD. Have something of this nature. Our stop loss, let's come above this high here. That's 22 pips. Then you can target back this low here. This is about 3-hour trade. Yes. So this what you should look for on Euro USD for today. Intraday trade. So that zone is very good to sell. So I think let me just call this one out for those that care. So Euro USD, sell limit. PP, we have 1.17274. SL give us 1.7, 1.17494, 22 pips. Please apply risk management if you are taking this trade, right? TP 1.16613. RR, that reward ratio. If you are risking 1%, you make 3%. So this is my, let me quickly enter it on my own. Let me take small risk there, 22%, 22 pips. Let me enter to my MT4, MT5, Euro USD. Okay. Sell limits. Sell limits. That is 1.17274. Stop loss. 1.17494. TP 1.16613. Good. Yeah, don't enter. Let's see how if this guy can give us some pot of soup today. Some Martina money. Right, so we are done with that. I've done good. Other one. Let's see. This guy. This guy is just, let's leave this guy is halfway. So I prefer to come here, then we can look for what he's saying. So let's leave that one. AUD is very bullish. So I don't want to do anything for now. The only way we'll be having interest in trading AUD for itself is when price trade below this counter trend line. So from here we can now begin to look for sell opportunity. We'll be back to this place. So this is where we'll be having interest. And if we have this place break up, maybe by next week, we can begin to buy to that place. So this guy has no trades for now. USD card, this one also, he has not. I prefer you guys to come to this zone where I mark, but I did not come. So I just allow it to run. If you now come here, I'll give us weak liquidity sweep. We can look for itself from that zone. You want to take trade basically on a key zones. Not just, it's not advisable to just be taking trade halfway. Just take it halfway. You don't know. So the best is to take trade from key zones. Any trade you are taking. Like this one, now you can see that it's just ranging between this low. So this guy is confused. So let's leave it. USJPY. Wow. It was a very good trade for this week, but the team never give me money. I know it, but it was a very good trade. So anytime price come back here, we'll do for a buy, continuation to buy. But if you come here first, this is that high is drawn liquidity. If you sweep liquidity from above that high of 4 hours, we'll engage the sell, then we can sell to this place. Simple as that. GJ is GJ is giving information for a sell formation, but we don't want to sell this guy. It's better for us to look for a buy opportunity. We have this demand here. So anytime price come here, we'll engage for a buy opportunity here. We'll make the buy opportunity here. So go back to the high again. So for now, leave that one. Not clear. USD share to do BTC. Hey, whoa. Guys, you see what I am seeing? Hey! What is going on? BTC may hit 1,150. Oh. Hey, I'll be 200 for the end of the year. Oh, I believe, Okiki, I believe you are here. What is happening on your BTC? You should be making serious money now. It's not yet. Because the one that always trade. Maybe I should put my attention on BTC now. Casa Laba. We were here yesterday. I was telling him that if price come back here, that is best to buy. But price no will come to that retracement. See, wow. Something is driving this guy. This is crazy. This is crazy. This is crazy. There's no any high for us to say, okay, if we want to get to another time, we say or not. No any high. This is all time high. So I beg, let me leave BTC to for people that trade it. So Eurocard, I love something. Okay, this guy Eurocard. Let's view Eurocard from. Like price is strongly from. Oh, this is not clear. Let's go to 1 hour. All this currency pair, we need a good direction for you to jump, enter, and sell. So let's just leave it. Let's leave it. Anytime if you can sell, come back to this zone. Is it profitable to buy from all these confluence zones like this place? Why? We have this trend line and we have great support. So if you come back to this demand zone, it's very profitable to buy them just to engage trade on the middle way here like this. So no. Euro JPY. This I just flying, no trade yet. Let's see. Let me see daily. Let me see it on daily. Where is your time high for this guy? Let's see. Okay. Let's put this here first. We have that one. We have this. So we'll see as price get to that place. We'll now begin to see. You can see even these two bearish candle could also successfully close below this guy here. So it was inside bar. And that's why you see that bullish continue. I want to see a good momentum, bearish momentum. So that will tell us that we can engage, we can begin to engage for a sell, right? I'm going to go for a sell. So let's see development. So we just trap it like this and we'll just begin to wave. So I think it's profitable to buy. Even profit to buy, not that to sell. So how do we buy? Let's see. Yeah, we have tendencies to buy Euro JPY to this zone, right? So we can look for a way to if this 4 hour candle close by 10 now, we have a small imbalance here. We have a small imbalance there, FUG. So maybe we can use that FUG to do what? For a buy opportunity. So let's see. We'll put a trade there. Okay. Let's put it here like this. Our stop loss come below this low. That's about 65, please. Can you give us 2 arrow? Okay. Yes, we have 2.3. So this is another good trade. Let me call it out. I think I'm just in mood to give us some trade this morning. So but it doesn't come every time. Euro card. Euro JPY. JPY. Buy limit. EP. Euro JPY buy limit. EP is 171.405. SL 170.750. That's how many pips? 65. 65 pips. Stop loss. So fashion this stop loss to your to what you are using. That is 0.01 will give you about $6 plus $6 risk. 0.02 will give you $12 risk. So check which one you can take. And 172.944 reward ratio 2.3R. So guys, so that's Euro USD, Euro JPY. That's Euro JPY. So that's I'm trying to see 30 minutes. I want to see if we can refine. Well, let's not do too much of refine. Now we'll not miss entry. It's okay then. Let's do that 4 hours. Let's not do too much of refine. So for price, what is prompting me to buy? What is prompting me to buy? Number one, you can see that when you look at this, our price is engaging, then we have been what? Moving up, buying. And now we try to close below here, but price could not. Then this 4 hour, not 15 minutes. So 4 hour signal is 4 hour daily signal is used to be very strong. So we have price now. What did happen? We have this bullish engulfing candle that engulf 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is very serious that buyers are still in charge. So if we get a buy here, there's tendency that we can get to this this black line resistance zone. They are stop loss. So why is our stop loss here? In case our prediction is failed, our price starts selling. So we can quickly stop us out, and then we position for a sell. Whatever that made 4 hour candle to close below here like this, then it means that what we'll be doing, we change our buyer from buying to sell. So that is that. So we don't do I must buy. Just look at trade. Look at okay, if this does not work, if it does not buy, if it change, then I take small loss, then I position for alternative. So Euro JPY is a good trade. Oil, this oil, let me leave oil. So I think I've done so. This is a trade that I love so much this week. First target met. It was the first target. 100. This was my entry, and this was my first target. This was a very good trade. So I'm still looking at trading to this all-time, this high here, this major drawn liquidity. But for now, I have closed my positions for this trade. The reason is you can see that immediately we get to this high here, we are strong, price is strongly. We try to break, it comes down, try to break. So immediately I see that price is strongly here. I don't need any profit to tend to take profit. So the next thing you will see now is that if that price is failing to come down, then pull back, because in a really sense, let me leave this one here. We have no break. So in really sense, we can say now that we just break structure, or should that cause break structure, or we just shift the market structure by this high now. So I can say that one we have shifted market structure now. And if we have done that, there's need for price to do what? To come down for internal liquidity before price will continue to the direction. So that is the projection. Now, what do we do now is that we have this imbalance here, so we can wait for price. We can wait for price below there. So we can now wait for price. So we wait for price here, look for another buy opportunity from this zone, maybe by next week. And let's see. So that was a good trade that made my week. I think one trade is okay for the week if you hold it and give you what you want. So it's not about plenty trade. So Euro UD, so AUD is very strong. So Euro UD now, we have this guy bearish. So what is the possible? Let's go to daily where we can trade to begin. So on daily now, let's put this trend line first. So now price is currently on this trend line. So price currently on this trend line. So that give us another sign that okay, we have to chill up. We have to chill up. We have to chill up, not to buy, not to sell for now. It's better to look for what? Even a buy opportunity. So you can see now that we have some confluence points, a trend line, supports, resistance. So that plays a great zone. So if price fail to close below here, then guys, all we need to do is to look for bullish evidence. So we'll now come to smaller time frame by next week. What are we going to do? This is the highest high for now. So all we need to do is a break, a retrace, then we'll continue. So it means that daily support zone will supersede 4 hours, will supersede this 4 hours bearishness. So you see now, you see the logic. So for 4 hours now, we are bearish. You can see we break structure, but because price is hitting daily demand, daily supports. So this may work against, and we are in uptrend. So this can continue the uptrend that we have. So for now, it's not ready to buy. Don't buy now. Don't buy now. That's why support and resistance traders, they always get hot. So don't buy now, because say you buy now, price can collapse and close here this week, and then what we will now see is will continue bearish. So we want to see shift in market structure from this high, then before we engage there. So if it's ready, we'll see it by next week. So that is Euro UD. All right, guys, I think that will be all for today. Thank you for your time. Thank you. Okay. Okay, me, I don't Euro UD, Madam Peace. SZD card. I don't SZD. All this. Solomon, all this your currency pair. Let me just do it, sha. I've done SZD USD already. So I've done Euro card already. Spot the Euro card trade. Spot the Euro card trade. Okay. After I say Euro card for now, I'm not interested in Euro card for now. That I would love it to come to settle this zone before I would buy. So there's nothing for me on Euro card. Someone says Chef JPY. Chef. I don't all this peer. I don't like trading them, but for the sake of answering, I think I will. You see, that is why you know that JPY is weak in every angle. What do you want to trade here, sir? Just leave this guy here. This guy. Just leave this guy. If you have opportunity to just to buy, don't do for a buy. That's all. That's what I will say. That's all I will say. If this guy come back for a pullback, then engage. Maybe we have this imbalance here. Maybe that low, that demands that supply. So you can engage for what? A buy. Just watch under 1 hour. Price come here for a buy opportunity. This spot the trade. Yeah. Okay, sorry. You know JPY, I have spotted already now. Please, this is on the screen. this Euro JPY on the screen. Sure. I believe this candle will close. You can see if you close that by the next 7 minutes, this 4-hour candle will close. So it has created gap between this last candle and the second one. So there's this gap which stands as the FEG. So we're looking at, okay, if trade can come back to this FEG, so let's give us a buy, then we can write down. So guys, that will be all. Thank you. Please don't forget, if you have not registered before, don't forget to do your registration. And do registration funds, and let's make money together. Thank you. Thank you. See you on Monday. Have a lovely week. Withdraw, buy malt, buy chicken, and enjoy yourself. And if you are draw down, don't worry. We'll cover next week. Thank you. God bless you. See you on Monday.